Hello, welcome back to the online school of the Wudang Academy. 欢迎回到武当学院的线上课程。We're now at the fifth sequence of the Gua Zhang. This is the most complicated part of the Gua Zhang form. So take your time to figure it out and watch closely. Following from the previous section, we will be in the holding posture, right hand up, then turn, 走, then we take the 8 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then pay attention to the final circular step. Now the foot is pointing inwards and the hand go down, cut. Then comes the hand movement. The hand fold and then go out again and step here. Watch that the hand movement is one hand folds towards to the other side and the other hand opens to the outside. Here, here, and finally, 马步 push out, as in 𝐬𝐭𝐫𝐸𝐵. We will see the movement again from 虚步. 1, 2, 3, 4, 马步. The next movement, stand up, 独立步. The elbow meets with knee when you stand in this posture. This is the 独立步 posture we usually do when we do the 瀑布 exercise. Here, then 瀑布, post up and go forward. And 虚步, palm forward, palm forward. And finally, step to 马步. Okay, I hope you figured that out. The sequence is relatively long. Now we do the second part of the demonstration. After the stepping, you have gone from 独立步, 瀑布, 虚步, 1, 2, and step, circular, to 马步. Now, the second leg that steps down into the 马步 stays on spot, and we turn. Now, the left hand comes out, and you step forward into 弓步. Long movement. Again, and in the explosive movement called 发劲, you will turn the stance into 马步 while the hand peers out to the top. And we'll do the same movement to the other side. So hand and go to 弓步, second time, 发劲 and 马步. Stand up. And we are ready for the movement on the other side. So, then it's the same symmetric movements on the other side. So, 独立步，走 down， 瀑布 ，step step。Now we have gone through the fifth, the most complicated part of the 八卦掌 form. What you want to pay attention to is that in the form, you will always come back to the north position. So pay attention to where you step and if that leads you to the center line. Keep practicing. We'll see you in the next one.